So this video is just going to be on a few F2L cases. I've got my first few things that I'm going to talk about here. So essentially what you're going to do, oh, and by the way, I'm going to stick a few like fancy tricks and stuff on the end. So I've shown, yeah, I'm going to leave it till the end, so stick around. Primarily the stuff that you want to know about intuitive F2L is you're always going to be setting up to either a split pair case like this, so RU R prime, well, RU prime R prime, sorry, and you insert the pair like this. But yeah, so you're always going to either set up to split pair or connected pair. And there's one other thing with this kind of stuff, is these cases with the sticker on top, so you can take it from this angle, and this one as well, and even the one where it's stuck in the bottom, you can stack and create the bar. So I was talking to someone about this 2 weeks ago now, and creating the bars are actually the main thing in advanced F2L algorithms. They aren't really algorithms, they're just the notation for the most optimal way to solve every case, but they mostly follow intuitive F2L. So this case, you basically stack and you have this connected pair, and we know that solving it is with RU prime R prime. And these cases, so this one, I'm not showing every F2L case, you can play around and have a look, but essentially if you run through F2L PDF, so I know Cube Skills, aka Felix Semdegs, we all know who that is, has one online. It's like the first one that comes up if you put in F2L PDF into Google. So, but here, here every algorithm basically composes of 2 stages. So the splitting up process. So for this case here, I know that I can remove the corner, put the edge over here and this, and it just becomes second nature to me because I've done it so many times, and it's just practice, repetition, and you get better at recognizing the cases. So this one's just splitting up and then disconnected pair and insert. And a lot of people have asked in the past about this case. So this one where you have like 2 coloured stickers on top that match, and yeah, these 2. The simplest way is literally the split up process it's a 5-move case, but the split up process isn't obvious. So here I've actually set it up in lefty. So the split up process is literally you're moving the corner like this, and in there. And there's a few awkward cases like, oh, let me set one up. Like this one. So there's, yeah, this one's like one of the few that I've actually learnt like the full one of the old advanced F2L algorithms. I don't think anyone uses this. Well, they might. There's sledge that gives you a disconnected pair, so you basically move the corner and sledge like this, and here you can, I think most beginners just put the edge in and then solve this case, so stacking as I've shown earlier. So this case with the corner in here, you just stack and you get this bar at the back, and then insert the corner. And there's one other type of case, which is these 2. So here you can, well, the edge either here or here, basically you just hide the corner so it's in back right, and then or back left if you're doing it lefty, if it's on the left side, and basically swing this edge round so that when you pull the side back up, you end up with the bar back here, and then insert. And onto the trick stuff that I'm going to be showing. I promised it at the start, so the first bit is, the first one that I wanted to show was this insert from where it's like into the back right. You can also do it into back left, but it's one that, yeah, I do both sides, but I'm faster like this. So it's basically wide F and then RF prime, or yeah, I'm not so good left. I basically only use it back right, and I've shown the sledge for the one of the awkward cases with like this. Yeah, this one I've shown sledge, and the other one was just muck up this pair. So if you ever have like this, but it's not in this slot that you want it in, you can actually, first of all, this is just a free pair, ignore that. Well, disconnected pair, yeah, ignore that. And we've got, but if you focus on these red and green, you've got like lefty sledge, and you get disconnected pair like this. Obviously in a free solve you'd just go for the red, blue, whatever. And using sledge to orient edges is pretty standard as well. Anyway, see you in the next video. Any ideas, please post them in the comments because I'm running out of them. So yeah, and I'll see you in the next video.